Okay.
with
All right,
a clear
Anand.
message.
Thank you for now for joining us with those details. And on that note, viewers, let's shift our focus. Now, responding to a question during a press conference in Mumbai, NCP Sharad Pawar leader Supriya Sule said, I don't have so much spare time to indulge in gossip. I don't believe in sources, I believe in reality. She added, let me reassure that all 8 MPs of NCP Sharad Pawar faction and all our MLAs, we are together. Sule further said, please understand that NCP SP is a party where Sharad Pawar not only leads, he invests in everybody. Shweta, that is the statement that has come in from Supriya Sule. How near or close is her statement to the real situation?
Right, Kriti. In fact, major development where we were speaking about the Nationalist Congress Party, that is particularly talking about Sharad Chandra Pawar Party, whether there is going to be a merger back again and they will be united or not as one NCP. But categorically speaking, Supriya Sule today, she held a press conference and mentioned the fact essentially that when it comes to, SP of NCP, they are all together, and the party leader Sharad Chandra Pawar is not only, talking about the party, but investing in each and everybody. You talk about MPs and MLAs in the party. Having said that, she also stated that since morning even she has been witnessing several publications talking about why there was a meeting, and then she mentioned the fact that she do not in fact believe in sources. In fact, she stated that while the reality is they are together, clearly stating the fact that her flock of the party is together. And she also stated that when it comes to this particular meeting, it has nothing to do with the merger. So clearly, Kriti, this point in time where Supriya Sule herself, she faces media questions and the camera, of course, and she stated that her party as NCP SP is not going anywhere officially, physically, or by any means.
Okay.
They are all together, and as of now there is nothing about merger.
Right, Shweta, thank you for joining us with the details. And viewers, we're slipping into a commercial break. Stay tuned, we'll be right back.